the Danny.
Say what?
Hi YouTube.
Oh, it's
yeah, it's a video. Getting ready for the wedding reception. Oh!
We're not late.
Oh yeah, yes we are. Alright guys, today is surprise day. She has no idea I'm coming to visit my bestie. Alright, my Uber driver's here. I'll see you guys at the airport. Bye! I'm so excited. Boarding the plane. She still has no idea. I was like, she's not gonna. Hi, ma'am. Oh my god! Happy birthday! I was like, let me look down because I know she won't notice me with my hair.
Everybody's running, but half of them ain't looking what's going on in the kitchen. But I don't know what's cooking. You can say I got a love, but nobody can teach.
God, I'm trying to ride dirty.
And they have Old Bay here and salt if you want it.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Logan! Hi! Say hi, YouTube! Hi, YouTube! It's Yoda and Michaela! Hi! And the Orioles game! Woohoo! Hot chocolate! That's my boo, Benny! Yeah! Okay, what's up? Come on, boo! Come on, boo. Yes! Oh, they're not ready. They're not ready. They're not ready. Yes! Yes, boo. Ready. What the heck, Ray? You're gonna get yourself beat up. You're out here filming. This is so cute. I love farmers market. Who does that look like? How cute. It's your birthday! Okay, I'll catch you later. No. Birthday girl! Oh, okay, we'll catch you later. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. Fat back contest. You win first place. I got like some dog hair or something on mine. This is so cute, Baltimore. Don't get dizzy. Good morning! Is it still morning or is it afternoon?
It's still morning.
It's still morning. It's Leota's birthday! Woohoo! Look how cute this is. We're at the this is the harbor? Yeah, little donuts. Little slice of heaven. The panty dropper. Strawberry cheesecake.
Alright. Happy birthday to you. Jesus, take the wheel.
And of course I want to bring you guys with me. It's my first solo road trip. Yeah, I want to take some footage earlier, but obviously I was driving by myself, so I couldn't. But I want to show you guys how beautiful it is out here. Check this out. Look at that. Money bag, money bag, money bag, money bag. Yeah. Look at that. It's crazy. That's where I'm staying back there. Well, through there. Through that little area right over there. It's so beautiful. I'm such a mermaid. I love the beach. About that beach life. All about that beach life. Okay, catch you guys in the bed. Bye. There's room service. Fresh bagel. And oh, that's so pretty. Flapjacks for you, girl. I promise I'm gonna have vegetables today. So I hope you guys are having a great day today, or morning, or whenever you're watching this. So like I said yesterday, I'm here in, well, it's called Palm Isles, Isle of Palms. I think it's Palm Isles. Oh, I forgot my water. Dang it. Oh well, it's alright. For work. So once they clean up my room, I'll do a room tour like this evening before we all go to dinner. But oh my gosh, this looks so long. Still hot. I'm definitely not gonna eat all these. But yeah, so I will more than likely see you guys when I get back to get ready for dinner. But this will be a really short vlog. Like I said, I'm here for work. Maybe we'll explore on Friday before I leave. That'll be fun. Alright, catch you guys in a bit. Girl. This bed I'm sleeping in tonight. Bed I was sleeping in last night. So TV. Cute little closet. How cool is this? Off. On. Off. On. Simple things. And I absolutely love this bathroom. Yes, hunty, to die. The lighting in here is everything. Everything. Alright, guys. And that is, oops. That is literally my room tour. Lights out, chica. It's really late. It's actually midnight now. So I'm going to go to bed. And